Hello kids, today we will draw a cute baby chicken. So let's start. First draw the baby chicken face. Draw a curved line like this. Now draw another curved line on other side also. Good job! Now draw some feathers on its head. Just draw like me, and it will look very cute. Draw some long feathers, and it's done. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Look how cute it's looking. Now let's draw the baby chicken body. First draw a big round shape like this. Make sure to leave some paper below. Well done! Now draw two curved lines on below. Good job! Now let's draw the baby chicken leg. Draw two long curved lines like this. Well done! Now draw the other leg also. Draw the just like same. Now let's draw the baby chicken wings. Draw a curve, then connect with body. Good job! Now draw the other wings also. Look, we almost complete the drawing. Now let's draw the baby chicken cute face. First draw the eyes. Draw a big circle, then slowly fill black color. Good job! Now draw the other eye also. Draw a circle and slowly fill the color. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Lastly, draw the baby chicken mouth. First draw a pyramid triangle. Then draw the lower part, and it's done. To make it more cute, draw two heart shapes on both sides. Draw the first heart big, like this. Then draw the other heart small. Look, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use red color on heart shape. Color the heart very carefully and slowly. It's very easy to color, so don't make any mistake. Color the small heart, and it's done. Good job! Now let's color the baby chicken. First use orange color and draw a circle on its stomach. Well done! Now slowly fill the color. Color left and right. And it's done. Color carefully and don't color the outline. Now use orange color on baby chicken head. Color the feather outline first, then slowly fill the color. Look how beautiful it's looking. Well done, now color the baby chicken body. I'm using yellow color, but you can also use different color you like. Color the face first. Color carefully, and don't color the eyes and mouth. Color the outline, then you will not make any mistake. Color step by step, and it will look very cute. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job, we color the face. Now color the body. Color step by step, and it will look very cute. Do the same thing. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Good job, now use light orange color. And color the baby chicken wings. Color the outline, then carefully fill the color. Color the other wing also. Now let's color the baby chicken legs. Use brown color and color carefully. Color slowly and don't color outside. Lastly, use red color on baby chicken mouth. Color only inside it, and it done. Look how cute it's looking. Now use white color and make the eye shiny. Now draw another white circle on other eye also. Let's make the baby chicken shadow. Use gray color and draw a line like this. Make the line thick and color lightly. Well done, we complete the drawing. Look how cute the baby chicken is looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.